Most English learners make one big mistake. They try to speak English without first learning how to think in English. This is exactly why your sentences feel slow, your confidence drops, and you often get stuck mid-sentence, right? But what if I told you that by changing the way you think, you can actually speak English more fluently without learning more grammar or vocabulary? So in the first place, let me tell you, dear friends, the problem why translation slows you down. When you try to speak English, your brain usually does this. Number one, thinking in your native language. Number two, speaking in English. And number three, translating each and every single word. This takes time, dear friends. And in a real conversation, you don't have that time, right? Even worse, this process drains your confidence, and that leads to anxiety. Secondly, dear friends, the science, how to train your brain to think in English. Let us try to understand the solution through a scientific approach. Our brain forms language pathways based on repetition and daily use. If you repeat words in English, hear them and use them actively, your brain builds a direct connection. No translation required. This is why, people who live in English-speaking countries learn faster. They are forced to think in English, not just study it. In the third place, let me tell you, dear friends, how you can start today. So, how can you create this type of environment? Even if you live in a non-English speaking country, so the first thing that you can do is start with daily self-talk. Number one, start with daily self-talk. Every morning, describe what you're doing in English. I'm brushing my teeth, I'm making tea. Say it loud or in your mind. In this way, you are actually building thought patterns. Number two, use 5 words technique, dear friends. Pick 5 simple English words every day. Objects around you. Look at them. Name them. Use them in a sentence. Repeat these daily, and your brain will start defaulting to English. Number 3, dear friends, switch your media. Watch English content with subtitles, but don't just watch. Pause and repeat. Listen, speak, shadow the speaker. This is called the shadowing technique, and it's used by professionals, In the fourth place, let me tell you, dear friends, fluency is not perfection. Fluency does not mean perfect grammar. It means flow. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they keep going. When you think in English, you stop judging yourself. And that is the most powerful, confidence booster. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who is also learning English. And comment below. What's the first English sentence you are going to think today? Let's make this particular language learning simple, practical, and real. I'm here to help you grow, one thought at a time.